grinded the idli rice, soaked it overnight, and grind it along with green chilies to a smooth paste. Then you grind 1 cup of tur dal, just wash it and grind it coarsely and add it to the rice. Now I'm adding little bit of hing and salt. Mix it well and keep it aside for 6 to 8 hours. Then you can make the adai. You can make another version of this. You have to soak the idli rice overnight. 2 cups of idli rice. Pour water and wash it nicely. Then you pour water and soak it overnight. Then you grind it along with red chilies. Grind it coarsely. It should not be very smooth. Then you take tur dal, 2 cups. 2 cups of rice and 2 cups of tur dal, equal amount. Then I am adding a 1/4 cup of urad dal, 1/4 cup of chana dal, and a 1/4 cup of moong dal. So wash all the dals nicely, and you can grind it after you wash it. You don't need to soak the dal. So for adai, always the consistency should be coarse. You should be able to see the dals. It should not be smooth at all. So grind the dal separately along with curry leaves. So after you grind the rice with the red chilies, just pour it, and now you can add the dal to it. I grinded the dal with the curry leaves. That's why it's looking green. And now you mix both nicely. I'm adding hing. You can add lots of hing. It will taste really good. And salt to your taste. Mix it nicely. And you can leave it for 6 to 8 hours. Then you can make adai. You can pour oil according to your how much ever crispy you need. If you add more oil, it will be more crispier. And also always cook it in the medium flame. And if you want it really crispy, keep it in a real low flame and cook it for longer. That's how it becomes crispy. And you have to keep flipping it. It should be in this golden brown color all the time. If you keep flipping it, you'll get this color. You can make it either thick or thin, whichever you like. See, looks good now. It's crispy. And transfer it in the cooling rack so that it doesn't get soggy. And let's make the adai. Taken the batter and I'm going to add finely chopped cabbage to the batter. And mix it nicely. I have mixed the cabbage and the pan is nice and hot. Let's make the adai. And you can pour oil. And keep it in low to medium flame, and we have to cook it longer. So let me start flipping it slowly. And press it. It has to be nicely crispy. Let's flip it again. Now you can increase the flame. Let me flip it again. So you have to keep flipping the adai. You can adjust the temperature accordingly until you get the right amount of crispiness. You can keep cooking. It will take a while to cook. It's almost done. See, both sides are nicely cooked and crispy. It's done. Excellent. Another must-try recipe.